Alright guys, today I'm going underneath the S14 and I'm going to find out if I have an open, limited slip, or welded diff. And we pull out the breaker bar for these. Alright, after battling this thing to come out, we're going to pull the cover and see if this thing is welded or not. And now, after draining this thing all over the floor, it's time to pull the cover off. Well, it looks like we got a LSD. I was really worried it was going to be welded and we'd have to replace that. So, that's good. Well, we keep running into good things. I'm pretty sure that's a stock V LSD, and we'll see how that holds up with our power levels later on.